Let's go now to your Facts Not Fear coverage of COVID-19. Nationwide Children's Hospital says the call center wait times are currently up to 2 hours. The hospital says it's because of the high number of COVID-19 requests, and the COVID cases are growing in our schools. 10 TV's Krista Frost has details on that.
Yeah, so I'm in Hilliard right now, and we talked with leaders here about the substitute teacher shortage that they're facing right now. So just to give you some context, leaders here told me that normally this district has about 85% of their substitute teacher positions filled, but right now that's more like 60 to 73%. Now, there are a few reasons that this is happening. Leaders say one of them is people are afraid of COVID, but another reason, teachers having to call off and quarantine because of exposure to COVID. And we're now seeing that those low staffing numbers, it's kind of the same situation when it comes to students. So in Dublin City Schools near Hilliard, there are just more than 100 COVID cases among students, with 230 students quarantined. In Circleville City Schools, 30 positive cases among students, with 224 students quarantined. And in Columbus City Schools, we're talking 122 students with COVID, more than 1,500 quarantined. So Governor DeWine saying yesterday that it all comes down to one thing.
Look, nobody wants to have masks in schools, but I think people are realizing when they look at the facts that this is the only way we're going to keep our kids in school.
And Governor DeWine saying yesterday that of all the public schools in Ohio, 40% of them are requiring masks. In Hilliard, Krista Frost, 10 TV News.